Hi Lewa, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today, guys, a video from um Yudai Takenaka, Endless Rain. Bro, this song, I don't know, reminds me something. Oh, song by X. Oh, X? I know this person. No? Mm, No, I think. But let me search on my channel. Yeah. Ah, Yoshiki Taeyeon, Huakai, Jaehyun, Anton, and Han Eugene enter strain their song on the Mama, but that was Japanese version or no? I don't know exactly. But let's find out. If you guys don't know about them, please comment down below, guys. And let's go. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that was drama. I think, yeah. Okay. Bro, wait. His voice color something else. I don't know. And he's showing already own self confidence. That's it. Mm, wow. 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 Forget your love. Okay. Bakarım da. Oh, that was good transition. Who is she? What is your Aishte, bro? I mean, he's singing good. Bro, that impactful vocals. Nice. By the way, he had a good pronunciation. Like, wow! なんだこれなんでこれは、Bro, I don't want to cry. Then I'm stop it. Come on. Oh, nice, bro. Bro, that was from Big Bang member. Oh my God, he's it. Wow. Well, his voice so, I don't know, lively. Oh my. Yes. Wow. It's so hard. Wow. Shut up. Wow, man. Wow. Wow. Well, he feel that. And he's makes connect very well between the audiences. Wow. 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 Oh my god. That was hardest moment. Wow. Hmm. That was sick. And of the between the behind this visualizer was sick. Oh my god. Anyway, let's end. If you guys want more about them, please comment down. What's up, guys? And bye. Bye.